few months ago, we bought our dream property in the mountains, and about 2 years ago, we bought this fifth wheel camper, which we took a while to renovate and completely make our own. And we are planning on moving into this camper in just a few short weeks. So we are really down to the wire now, and we are trying to do everything possible to make sure we can get into this camper. So today, we're going to be working on transforming the outdoor space into a magical oasis. Here is what we are working with. We have both of our campers here. We'll be living in the fifth wheel, and then we also have Honey the camper, which will probably be a fun little hangout spot, or I could use as an office. So the first thing I would love to do is get some pea gravel down or some wood chips. Wood chips we can get for free, so I think we'll probably go that route. And then also, once we start building our house on this property, we won't have to worry about disposing of the pea gravel, and like the wood chips are just, they can kind of go into the ground, so it's not that big of a deal. But the person we are going to be getting the wood chips from couldn't deliver them until next week probably, so we'll have to use our imagination with that. But I just put down these two outdoor rugs that I found at Aldi's for $14 each. You guys know I do everything on a budget, so that's what we're doing today. I also found this umbrella from Aldi's. I believe this was $36. It is so cute looking. Cooper was such a big help. He's helping us drill a hole in our old picnic table. That way we can put the umbrella in the center.
You're welcome.
Connor did brush hog this area a bit, and the main reason why we want either pea gravel down or wood chips is to keep the dirt out, because right now we are tracking all of this dirt back into the camper every time we go in and out. And also it's hard, there's really nowhere for Cooper to just kind of play. I would love to find him a playhouse or make a mud kitchen for him. I'll have to decide which I'm gonna do, but I think the wood chips would be perfect because he would love to bring like his tractors through it and like pick all that up and stuff. So I have this outdoor set which I got from Amazon probably like 5+ years ago. They still sell it, and I think it was under like $170. But one of my favorite things to do to make your outdoor space look beautiful and sound beautiful is to make an outdoor fountain. So I have this base that I found from a junkyard. I think I got it for like $25. You guys probably remember this video where I made a fountain and I like spray painted it with this stone spray paint. It is the coolest thing ever. Unfortunately, in the move, that top piece broke, so I went to Walmart looking for something similar and I couldn't find one, but I found this bowl which fit perfectly. It looks a little silly on it right now because the base of this thing is so green and mildewy, but basically you can just grab one of these little solar fountains from Amazon. I'll link it below, and it makes a beautiful fountain, and it sounds so beautiful. It's so inexpensive. I want to jazz it up a little bit just so it looks a bit better, but for now it's fine. Also from Walmart, I found these little bases for a planter, and I found these candlesticks for 50 cents. I'm just heating up the bottom, that way the candlesticks will stick to this, and I let them kind of melt and get drippy because I just think it looks so pretty like that. I thought this would be a fun centerpiece for the table. So I'm adding in some strawberries for Cooper. It's his current favorite, strawberries and raspberries. From the thrift store, I found these beautiful plates. I think these were 50 cents each, but I got them like 25% off, so they were so cheap. And I'm just pairing that with some cute silverware that I got from Walmart. And I just wanted to set this up just to kind of like make it feel a little cozier. We could have a dinner party out here with friends. I'm just so excited to get started on this life. I think that's what we have been struggling with whenever we go up to the property. It kind of feels like there's nowhere for us to just be cozy and hang out and relax. So having this space now where we can come and sit, we could put a bonfire on, Cooper has somewhere to just relax. It's really exciting, and it just makes us want to come up here even more. I also figured I'd share a quick little update on our property and about us moving in. So we are currently in the process of getting electric to our property. So we got quoted at $25,000 just to get the electric company to put a pole in and to run it up to the site where our house will be, because our house is going to be like 1,000 feet from the road. So it's a lot of length that it has to run. However, we figured out a way through one of our friends to do it for like a quarter of the price. So I'll definitely share that with you guys when the time comes if you're interested. We are hoping the electric company will bring the pole like maybe in the next couple weeks. They said they'll try. If not, it'll be 3 weeks. So once that comes in, then we can start running electric to the camper, and we can put in the septic and start the well and just start our whole process of living here. And we're also in the process of getting all of our permits for the house. So it's just been a lot of boring behind the scenes sort of things right now. Connor came in at the very end and he wanted to weed whack and cut all of this brush down that was around the camper, and it really does look so much better. At first I was like, no, it's kind of cute and whimsical, but as soon as he took it down, I was like, oh wait, this looks so much better, and it will help to keep any bugs out of our space. But that is it for my little outdoor makeover. Let me know what you guys think I should do for Cooper in this area. I hope you all enjoyed this, and we will talk in the next video. Bye.